Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to simplify what is DevOps and what is DevOps engineer, as well as what is DevSecOps. So let's start with DevOps first. Basically, DevOps is a framework or practice, I would say, and often combined with tools that makes a software development lifecycle faster and effective so that it can serve its end user efficiently. Prior to DevOps, developers don't know how to make sure their application is up and running all the time in the server, and system administrators don't know anything about the application itself, which creates a gap between the developers and the operation teams. To fill up the gap, DevOps model evolved where DevOps engineers work across the entire lifecycle of software development. So, DevOps is the process or practice, or often we can call it mindset, adapted by the organization to fasten software delivery lifecycle. And DevOps engineer is one of the key person who ensure that process by implementing a strong CI/CD pipeline. On the other hand, there is a model evolved very recently called DevSecOps, which is a superset of DevOps model. It's same as DevOps concepts, but there is one key difference. Security check was missing in DevOps model, and in most of the case, security is checked once the application has been deployed, and it's normally done by the security specialist. But under DevSecOps model, security needs to be ensured at every stage of the software development lifecycle. For example, whenever developers push their code into source code repository, a security check needs to be triggered to make sure there is no vulnerabilities in the code like SQL injection or cross-site scripting. Another security check will be triggered at build stage as well. That's how DevSecOps engineer can ensure there is a security check in place at every stage of the CI/CD pipeline. Alright, so this is the basic difference between DevOps engineer and DevSecOps engineer. DevOps engineer used to implement a CI/CD pipeline to fasten software delivery lifecycle, whereas a DevSecOps engineer also do the same thing, but he or she needs to make sure that security check is in place at every stage of the CI/CD pipeline. Alright, so that's all. Thank you.